Hey everyone. So today I'm going to show you these heads. I just bought them for my new jazz set. I wanted something for, jazz. And I heard about these guys. They're called Evans 56 Calftone. And the idea is it's supposed to give you that sort of vintage calf skin head sound, but from a synthetic head. I've heard a lot about them recently and different people playing them. I've heard that they work better for medium, light to medium playing styles rather than super hard rock. But for basic jazz, swing, bebop stuff, I heard they would work great, which is what I'm looking for. So I got this new set. It's a Gretsch set, and it came with these blue hydraulic Evans heads. They don't sound too bad, but I'm just looking for something a little bit more jazzy vintage sound. So I got these Evans 56 Calftone. I got a 12-inch and a 14-inch for the two toms, and then I went with a regular coated ambassador Remo for my snare. One of the things I heard was that they're not super aggressive with brush sounds, so if you're going to be stirring the soup a lot on your snare, you need maybe slightly thicker gauge wire brushes. So I just went with a classic coated ambassador for my snare. And then for the bass drum, I've got an 18-inch bass drum. It's called the Emad. So it has sort of like a little felt ring around the outside, which is supposed to sort of help control the sound a little bit better. So put these heads on, give you guys a little taste of what they sound like. For reference, this is just the Evans hydraulic. It's called Level 360. We'll hear what the Calftone series sound like. So I'm going to show you what it looks like up close. Here's what it looks like. It does have, it looks like calf skin. Sort of very similar to those Remo fiber skins. This is quite nice. All right. So we have the new Evans 56 Calftone on the 14-inch low tom, floor tom. So what it sounds like. Let's hear what it sounds like with some brushes. Doesn't actually sound that bad with brushes. I thought it was supposed to be less aggressive, but these sound pretty good. And then with a mallet. I'm gonna have to get used to it, obviously, because they're brand new heads, but I might put a gel on top. Let's see what it sounds like with a gel. All right, so I'm gonna try it with just a little bit of a moon gel. Yeah, with a little bit of moon gel, the ringiness, like the really super loud overtone ringiness, kind of goes away. So there you go. There's the Evans Calftones. I'm gonna hook these up on the rest of the set, but so that gives you a little bit of an idea of what they sound like. I think the texture is great. I think they do a really great job of sounding like old calf skins, you know? They're not as, I would say, thick and muffly as like the fiber skin line that Remo makes. It's a little bit thinner, a little bit more open, and I think, especially when tuned higher on the toms, they sound great, you know? There's this really nice open yeah, I really like how they sound a lot. The bass drum itself, my bass drum came with like a little bit of a muffler on the inside, and I left it in there. It's pretty muffly. I don't mind it. I think the Emad though does a really good job at like toning down really big boomy, a lot of overtone bass with that little sort of foam ring on the batter head of the bass drum, and you may not need that inside muffler. I left it in, but you know, I might take it out and experiment with it. It's kind of a nice compromise between open and full and a little bit, you know, muffled. It might just be a little bit too muffly for me, so I might take that out. So just know that, you know, without that muffling pad on the inside, it's probably a lot more round of a sound. But overall, I'm really happy with the heads. So there you go. Thanks. Have a great day.